The Weeknd has become one of the biggest names in pop music over the years. The Weeknd, named Abel Tesfaye, is a very popular and influential musician. His music, tours, and other business ventures have made him a fortune. With an estimated net worth of over $100 million, The Weeknd can afford to enjoy the finer things in life. The Weeknd is interested in many things, from high-end real estate to exotic cars, fine art to high fashion, private jets to charity work, and music videos to business ventures. In each of these areas, we will examine how The Weeknd's spending habits show his unique personality and way of life. Spends real estate. The Weeknd owns many luxury homes, including an $18 million Hidden Hills house. The 13,391 square foot estate has 9 bedrooms, 11 bathrooms, a movie theater, a wine cellar, and a gym. The property has a vast pool, spa, tennis court, and guest house. The Weeknd bought the home in 2017 and added a recording studio and basketball court. The Weeknd's mansion is in one of Los Angeles' most exclusive neighborhoods, and its luxury features and facilities reflect his affluent lifestyle. Earns music production. The Weeknd not only composes music, but also produces it and guides up-and-coming musicians. He creates and releases music under his record label, XO Records. Furthermore, The Weeknd has produced music for other artists such as Belly and Nav, giving them the support and tools they require to be successful. Also, he invests in up-and-coming talent through his HX House Incubator program, which provides a forum for young creatives to learn, cooperate, and develop. The Weeknd's dedication to music creation and mentoring manifests his desire to return the favor to the field that has brought him so much success. Spends luxury cars. The Weeknd collects fancy cars. He is a Lamborghini Aventador, McLaren P1, and Mercedes AMG GT. He takes his unique cars to events and posts photos on social media. Luxury cars reflect The Weeknd's popularity and opulent lifestyle. He loves his collection and driving some of the world's most sought-after vehicles. Earns investments. The Weeknd is a successful musician and an intelligent investor who knows how to spot businesses that are likely to do well. He has made several smart investments in companies that have grown significantly in recent years, like Uber, Postmates, and Impossible Foods. By putting money into these businesses, The Weeknd has made his portfolio more diverse and given himself more ways to make money besides music. He has also used his money to invest in new talent through his HX House Incubator program, which offers young creatives a place to practice their skills and make their ideas come to life. The Weeknd's investments show how smart he is as a businessman and how much he wants to back up new ideas. Spends philanthropy. The Weeknd is known for his charitable philanthropy. He has donated millions to Black Lives Matter, Music Cares, and the WFP. He has spoken out on social justice causes and knows the power of his riches and platform. The Weeknd's donations have helped impoverished areas and amplified disadvantaged voices worldwide. His altruism inspires others in the entertainment world to give back. Earns concert tours. The Weeknd's live shows are known for their elaborate production and stage design, which has helped him generate significant revenue from ticket sales. He organizes live performances as a solo artist and as a guest artist all over the world. This has significantly increased his earnings. In 2017, his Starboy Legend of the Fall tour grossed over $100 million worldwide. Spends fashion. The Weeknd is known for his distinct sense of style, and his passion for fashion has led to collaborations with some high-profile businesses. He has created apparel lines for retailers such as H&M and Puma, demonstrating his ingenuity and love of style. The Weeknd's dress choices frequently mirror his personality, flashy and edgy outfits distinguishing him from other artists. His music videos often showcase amazing clothes that have become pop culture icons. With his excellent sense of fashion, The Weeknd has established himself as a style icon, influencing fans and aspiring fashionistas worldwide. Earns endorsement deals. The Weeknd has signed lucrative endorsement deals with major brands such as Puma, H&M, and Bacardi. These deals have helped him earn significant money outside of his music career. Spends travel. The Weeknd is a world-renowned musician whose tours take him to exotic destinations worldwide. He travels to perform at sold-out concerts and music festivals and frequently stops to enjoy the local culture and environment. The Weeknd has been spotted in Dubai, Tokyo, and Paris, where he enjoys the most excellent cuisine, fashion, and entertainment. His travels frequently inspire his music as he absorbs the sounds and visuals of the locations he visits. The Weeknd's globetrotting lifestyle reflects his success as a musician and his love of travel. Spends art collection. The Weeknd is an avid art collector who has amassed significant work throughout his career. He is a dedicated art collector and possesses work by some of the most renowned painters, such as Jean-Michel Basquiat and Keith Haring, amongst others. The Weeknd is a massive fan of contemporary art, and his collection features a variety of pieces that represent this passion, from sculptures to paintings and everything in between. He has been known to attend art fairs and exhibitions, immersing himself in the current trends and artists. The Weeknd's passion for art is evidence of his ingenuity and admiration for the visual art's aesthetic value and transformative potential. That was all from us today for this video. For more similar content, make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.